Today, I want to tell you something about the benefit of drinking tea. You can find a lot of health benefit of drinking tea from the internet, but I try to tell you something different from those you can find on the internet. In Chinese, we have a very long, old saying that Zhan and tea are the same taste. It means when you practice Zhan, when you practice meditation, you will have some health benefit. These benefits are the same as you drinking tea. It is very not normal to say that Zhan is a practice, tea is a drink. Why they have something in common? Our ancestors find that they have some similar health benefit by practicing Zhan or practicing meditation or the drinking tea. The health benefits are nearly the same or similar. They find it from experience, from practice, but they cannot find the reason behind. So today I try to making explanation about this using the modern science. The thing is that when you're practicing meditation, or to say you're practicing Zhan, you will have a health benefit by stimulating your parasympathetic nerve system. Or to say when you're drinking tea, the function is the same. That means when you're drinking tea or you practice Zhan, will have the similar health benefit of stimulating the parasympathetic nerve system.